Alright everybody, here we are. Hinkley. This is where you swim. Now to zoom in, get a little shaky, but that's the dam up there. Water would fall from there. Where that crane is where you would swim. We're gonna go up that way. Alright, let's head up. Yeah, right in here is where the beach is. This is all sand over in there. Right in here is where you would swim. Right in there. Right in there. Right over there by where that crane is, that white crane. And that, like I said, that's the dam where water would fall. Okay, now we're right down there. From what I found out, when you under construction on that, where it collapses. So that's what's going on. Now look what they had to do in order to, they drained the whole lake. Hinkley Lake right here. So all this water would fall over that dam and go down to the swim. This lake drained out everything. Hinkley, Ohio. Alright everybody, as we take our last view of Hinkley Lake drained, I want to say thank you everybody for subscribing, liking, sharing. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you know when I make more videos. It gives me inspiration to get out and do things like this. And also don't forget, April 8th, I will be making a video as best as I can of the eclipse for you guys. And if you are going to view the eclipse, please make sure you have the proper eyewear before staring up into the sun. Alright everybody, have a wonderful day. God bless. Peace out. And I'll see you real soon.